Здравствуйте. Чтобы лучше выучить предложение, сначала установите скорость воспроизведения на 0.5 или 0,75. Посмотрите видео один раз на этой скорости, а затем пересмотрите его на нормальной скорости. Приятного просмотра.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What would you like for breakfast?
I would like some eggs and toast.
Here is your breakfast.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I'll have coffee, please. Let's eat together.
How was your night?
I had a funny dream.
What was it about?
I was flying over the city.
That sounds exciting.
Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m.
Good. Let's start the day. Can you help me with the dishes?
Of course. I'll wash the cups.
Don't forget to dry them.
I won't forget.
What time is it?
It's 7:30 a.m.
Let's feed the cat.
Here is your food, Kitty. The dog wants to go for a walk.
Okay, let's take him outside. The weather is nice today. Fresh air is important.
I agree.
Do you want to watch TV?
Not now, maybe later.
I need to clean the living room. Can you help me vacuum?
Sure, I'll do it.
Don't forget the corners.
I won't.
Let's water the plants. The flowers look thirsty.
It's time to do laundry.
I'll sort the clothes.
Don't mix colors.
I know, I'll separate them. Which program should I choose?
Choose the gentle wash.
Let's prepare lunch.
What should we cook today?
How about pasta?
Sounds good.
Do we have tomatoes?
Yes, in the fridge. Don't forget to add salt.
Can you set the table? Lunch is ready.
Let's eat together.
Everything tastes great.
Thank you for cooking.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, please.
I'll pour it for you. Be careful, it's hot.
I will.
Let's clear the table.
Can you wash the dishes again?
Sure, I'll do it.
It's time to relax.
Let's watch a movie.